Hello everyone, welcome to Xincode Electronics Technology Company. We mainly develop and produce all kinds of scanning equipment. I am the factory director. Today, I will show you our factory. Our factory is located in the beautiful hometown of Longevity, Sansi District, Foshan City. Founded in 2009, our company is a high-tech enterprise focusing on production and sales of barcode scanner. Our products have been sold in over 50 countries and regions. Here is the chip workshop. Our factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters, with an annual output of more than 1 million units of various barcode scanners. There are 3 production workshops and 9 production lines. This is our aging testing workshop. Every product has its own patents, from software to internal structure to appearance design. And here is a million-level standardized dust-free workshop. In accordance with the ISO 9001 International Quality Control Standards, we check every process from raw materials to production to shipment. 70% barcode scanners of the global online-to-see platform comes from Xincode. We have professional testing equipment, such as cable bending machine, salt spray laboratory, battery tester, button tester, and simulated transportation vibration tester, to ensure our good quality. Each of our products is checked and tested strictly before being delivered to our customers. If for more information you can come to leave your message, we can help you to deals or information.